For my presentation, I chose to do an Excel worksheet for 5th grade, just so they can start to learn the different functions of Excel and how to use it, since they'll probably be using it a lot more whenever they get to middle school and things like that. I know at my school that I teach at now, they prefer that they know how to use Word and Excel and PowerPoint and all those different types of apps. Okay, so here's kind of what a blank worksheet looks like. They have the rows and the columns, and then there's the different fonts you can choose. I'll start by, we can do a formula, which I've had to use a lot of formulas. So you can start by, if you know a formula, you can do equals, and then if you wanted to add, you could do sum, and it could be 5 plus 6, and then that would be your sum, and it comes up with the answer for you, so it's almost like a calculator. If you wanted to do multiplication and you didn't know what the actual formula is, you can go to Formula Builder and you can type in multiplication. Or if you wanted to subtract, you could do subtraction, add, subtract, multiply, or divide. There we go. And you could do 8, and if you wanted to subtract, you could do 2, and that gets 6, or you could go on to the next row and do add and subtract, and you could do 9, and if you wanted to multiply, divide, exponent, less than, greater than, or equal to, we could even do greater than. Let's do 9 is greater than 6. True. And it'll come up with a true or false answer. If we change this to is 9 greater than 12, it would tell you false. So it's kind of neat that it does it for you and pretty much gives you the answer. If we wanted to do a chart, we could do a pie chart. And we could do a pie chart of this information. If you highlight this and then click on a bar chart, it'll do that for you. So all it is just basically plugging it in. If we wanted to do a line one, we would just record the information, go to line, and we could do a stacked mark line, or we could do a 3D line, which is right here. Also, the cool thing about this is if you wanted to change the color of the different charts, you can change the different colors. You could also change the different tables to different colors, the different styles, and there's layouts. You can change the backgrounds, and if you wanted to change it to landscape mode, you could do that. And that's about the basics of Excel that you would be using. There's one last thing. If you wanted to do a percentage or something like that, you could do 0.66 and change it to a percentage, and it would be 66%. Or if you wanted 6 and 5, if you put in a large number and then you just want it to be in dollars, it'll change it to dollar form for you, and different things like that. If you wanted less decimals, you could go or add more decimals or decrease the decimals. You can do that, and it rounds it for you, so it's pretty neat. But yeah, that's about the basis of Excel. Thank you.